All right, so looks like we got 3 minutes to go until this thing starts. So for these 3 minutes, I guess I'm just gonna say some stuff. Turn on my video. All right, so okay, I had a script. Let's just take a peek at it right now. Okay, let's just. Okay, also it looks like my stream health is not going very well. So like the video is gonna be a little bit awkward. But I don't know. Hopefully it'll get better soon. It's usually good in the mornings, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so oh yeah, before we get started, I have to plug my Twitch. So I have a Twitch channel. It's at twitch.tv/romogenes. You can check the link down in the description. Please go take a look. On there, I stream chess games and stuff. I don't know, just wanted to do it for fun. And please check it out if that sounds interesting. And so for in this stream and in videos, for my videos in December, I'm going to be doing Advent of Code 2020. And basically what this is this person releases a programming puzzle every day in December until Christmas to like count down the days. And I'm going to be doing this. This is going to be the majority of my content in December, with the exception of maybe Yusuko December, which is coming up like December 18th to 21st. So yeah, that's probably also going to be in December. Okay, let's see if there's anything else I want to say. Oh, of course. Okay, in these videos there's going to be spoilers for the puzzles. I should probably check if that's allowed. If like explaining these things is allowed. Probably. This is just for fun, right? This is just for fun. There's a leaderboard though. So wait, is there still music going? Oh, I think the latency is just really high. Okay. Yeah. The chat is going to be a little bit delayed. But so there's going to be spoilers in here. Don't watch if you don't want it spoiled. Obviously, I'm going to explain how this works and as well as the answer. So yeah, just like that, just a spoiler warning, okay? So yeah, puzzles counting down. Oh yeah, I don't expect many people to be watching the stream because obviously it's like nighttime for half of the world. Maybe not half, a little bit less than half, but okay, so we can get started. Okay, I'm gonna be reading out the full problem, and then yeah, I have my Notepad++ all set up. I know a lot of you hate light mode, but okay. Let's just go to text size 18. Okay. In each year there's kind of a storyline. Last year it was like space, so let's see how it goes this year. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna be reading this out. After saving Christmas 5 years in a row, you've decided to take a vacation at a nice resort on a tropical island. Surely Christmas will go on without you. The tropical island has its own currency and is entirely cash only. The gold coins used there have a little picture of a starfish. The locals just call them stars. None of the currency exchanges seem to have heard of them, but somehow you'll need to find 50 of these coins by the time you arrive so you can pay the deposit on your room. To save your vacation, you need to get all 50 stars by December 25th. Okay, so Advent of Code, like the previous years, they've always done like stars, so there's two sort of like puzzles every day for 25 days. So there's 50 challenges, 50 puzzles in total. And each puzzle is worth 1 star if you get it right. So they always do like a story where you have to get 50 stars. Okay, collect stars by solving puzzles. Okay, basically what I just said. Collect stars by solving puzzles. 2 puzzles will be made available on each day in the Advent calendar. The second puzzle is unlocked when you complete the first. Each puzzle grants 1 star. Good luck. Okay. Before you leave, okay, so this is an actual puzzle now. Before you leave, the elves in accounting just need to fix your expense report, your puzzle input. Apparently, something isn't quite adding up. Specifically, they need you to find the 2 entries that sum to 2020 and then multiply those 2 numbers together. Okay. For example, suppose your expense report contained the following. Then you give a list of numbers. In this list the 2 entries that sum up to 2020 are 1721 and 299. Multiplying them together produces 514579, so the correct answer is that. Of course, your expense report is much larger. Find the two entries that sum to 2020. What do you get if you multiply them together? Okay, so this is a pretty straightforward puzzle. The first days are always pretty easy. I'm going to put my face on the other corner just so we can get a better view of the puzzle. And I'm going to put the audio meters somewhere over here. Like that. Okay, so I can still see the levels. Okay, get your puzzle input here. We're going to copy this. And then we're going to... Okay, it looks like this is lagging pretty bad. Bad gateway. Service town. Oh, come on. Wait. Oh, come on. Is this just me? Okay, I'm going to try clearing my cookies. Oh, okay. Oh, there's actually... This graph is actually positive now. Okay. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay, I'm going to try another browser. I'm going to try Edge. Well, this is quite unfortunate. Why did we go to... okay. Do they... Something's... Okay, wait, I want to ask. Yeah, okay, so stuff is going wrong for other people as well. Okay, this is a problem. I think they should be posting something on the Reddit soon. This is really weird. Should I make a post? I feel like someone would have posted something by now. Just because, like... Oh, okay. Looks like they post the solutions here as well. So, yeah. This is odd. This is so odd. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so this video isn't going very well. Should I post something on the Reddit? On subreddit? What? Why don't we sort by new? We'll sort by new. That'll probably give us... Yeah, okay, looks like it's down. I'm going to upvote that just so it's get some... Put these ones just so it gets... Okay. Currently I have 0 comments. Yeah, because the thing is, like, not a lot of people are seeing this live, I guess. Like, not a lot of people, because it's midnight on the East Coast. So, yeah, a decent portion of the world is asleep. But also a decent portion is not. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to do for now. I will just flip to the end screen, and when it comes back on, I'll come back. So, yeah, in the meantime, feel free to use the chat to say stuff. If this doesn't go well, I'll just have to close down the stream and then do it tomorrow morning. I might not stream tomorrow morning, or it might be a silent stream, but yeah, this is a little bit unfortunate. I don't want to blame the creator, because like all this, like, website hosting is complicated, right? So, oh wait, I had that on all the whole time. Okay, I'm sorry. But okay, I'm just gonna flip this off for now. Okay, so someone just said it's back now. Thanks, Alex. All right, it's back up. Let's go. Day 2 is coming in a day, which looks about right. Okay, cool. Fabulous. I'm not going to reveal my Google OF, so it doesn't actually reveal anything, but I'm just gonna hide that for a bit. Okay, and we are back. Okay, and let's actually get to solving the problem now. So I'm just gonna save this in here. All right, 1.1 input.text. Okay, and then okay, let's go to Notepad++, and let's actually get to solving the problem now. So, oh, I should probably update the YouTube stream description, but that's fine. That's fine. Okay, so let's just get to coding. So the idea here is that we're just gonna bash, because it doesn't look like this file is that long, and so it looks like it's gonna run an on square. Actually, this is the two-sum problem. Wait, yes, this is two-sum actually. So we could theoretically we could do this in on log n. But we don't actually need to do that. We can just do on squared because I'm lazy. I'll do both just to make it more complete. Numbers equals ni for, yes, I'm using Python because I like Python. And it's not that slow. And this is just gonna run locally. So okay, so the plan here is just to loop through all the numbers and then do it again. Like for each of the numbers, we're going to loop through all the other numbers, see if it adds up to 2020. If it does, then we got our numbers, multiply them together, print it out. And it looks like, is there a new line at the end? I hope there's not. Okay, there is. Okay, well, then we'll have to delete that. Just by doing that. Okay, so now we have our numbers. For in numbers, if I is not j, do we have to check for that? So 1 second. Okay. Yeah, I don't think it's has to be the same. Let's just check if 1010 is in the list. Okay, it's not. So we don't actually have to check for that. But okay. Got it, Alex. Yeah, no. Yeah, I can do this on my own. But yeah, thanks for doing your recordings. I might need those later. Okay, and now we have our thing. Boom. Why are we printing it out twice? Okay, because we did it both ways. So this should be the answer. I'm just going to make this console a little bit bigger, just so you all can see better. Size 24. Size 36. This should be big enough for y'all. This should be big enough for y'all. Yeah, this is what I did in my Miller Raven video as well. So, this should be the answer. Submit. Boom. All right. So we got one right answer. This is fantastic. I should also probably put a status marker somewhere on here just to say like solve one problem or something, but it should be evident. So part 2. The elves in accounting are thankful for your help. One of them even offers a starfish coin they had left over from a past vacation. They offer you a second one if you can find 3 numbers in your expense. Okay. 3 numbers. Okay, this is just as easy. So, 3 numbers. Hey, David. Glad you're here. Okay. Thanks for popping in. Okay, so we just need 3 numbers. I'm going to remove this if statement. So we need 3 numbers. This is going to be on cubed. We could do it more efficiently. We don't need to. Okay, so this is the answer. I don't actually know how many numbers are in here, so why don't we print numbers? Also, we can break once this is done. So Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Okay, I wanted the length of the array. 200. Okay, so 200 cubed. Okay, this is actually pretty close to the limit. All right. We're done. We're done with day 1. Okay, but I want to take some time to actually make this, like, explain the better solution. So I should probably explain why this works. Okay, so, oh shoot, wait, okay, 1 second. I actually want these to be separate. Okay, so, yeah. I think the inputs are going to be the same, so we're just going to do one input instead of 1.1 input. And then we're going to make a second file, because these are different problems, so. Okay, 1.2.py .text. Okay, so now I'm actually just going to explain why this works. So basically, for part 1, we need to define two numbers that sum to 2020. And I think I explained this before, but basically you just loop through. Oh, wait, hang on 1 second. Okay, something's off. There we go. Okay, so the thing with this is that you loop through all the numbers, and then for each of those numbers, you loop through all the other numbers, and then you just kind of check if those two are the same. But we can do this even more efficiently. So we can have a set that tracks the numbers we've seen so far. And then for every other number, we check if 2020 minus that number is inside the set. And checking if something is in a set, if you're using a hash set, that's O1. If you're using a tree set, that's O log n. So this is a classic two-sum problem. We can actually just make this more efficient. So I'm not going to do anything like track how much time it took, but we're going to comment that out because I don't want to use any kind of version control. That's just kind of... Okay. So we're going to do a set that tracks the numbers we've seen. So we're going to add the number... As we loop through the set, we're going to add the number we see to the set. And then if 2020 minus I in scene, then we know that these two numbers are in our list. So we can just print out. We can just print out our product, and then we're done. And this should actually... And this should actually be faster. So you can see it's a lot faster. We can actually compare if I make these functions def naive, and then I don't know, smarter. Okay, so okay, because the input size is too small, like 200, it doesn't actually make a difference. But we're just gonna leave it at that. Should I publish this to GitHub? I don't know. Maybe I should. Please tell me in the comments after the stream is over if you want me to post the code on GitHub. Or I might just decide on my own. I don't know. Okay, so how you do this for three numbers is called threesum. And I don't actually know how to do this in a smarter way. But I suppose we could think about it now. So I'm just going to sit here for a minute and think about it. I think you can get this down to n squared log n, but why don't we try searching it up? So threesum, find a unique... Oh, okay, I actually did this before. And okay. Okay. What does it look like I did? It looks like what? Okay, I'm lazy. It's getting late. I'm just going to look it up. N squared. N squared. Looks like N squared is the fastest. Just click on the first one. Sort the input array. Run through all indices of a possible first element. Oh. Okay. It's basically just like 2-sum, but 3-sum. So I guess the idea here is that let's just make a new function. Okay, so the idea here is to consider every